Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share with you a Heroes Art kit that I purchased last year and have finally been able to use it, or been inspired to use it thanks to Shannon. I took a class from her from Crop and Create Delivered, and it was a Hero Arts class, and so I was like, oh, I have a kit that I've not even used yet that I purchased last year, and so I decided to break it out and use it. And I would like to challenge my other crafty friends that have this kit. You know who you are because we all bought it at the same time, to get it out and use it. This is the season to use it. So our kit did come with, it came in this Hero Arts pouch that can store all of it handy in a pouch. Here is the kit that I got. We got the classic kit. And so here's the contents. It came with a fall message clear stamp set that's 4x6, and here is the stamp set. Sorry for the glare, but there's the stamp set. They're a good size stamp set. I have stamped a few sentiments out already, and let me just bring it close for you to check it out. So it comes with a stamp set. It comes with a 3-color layering stencil, which is here, and it does make, this is the cards that I'm making, and so it does stencil out this. And then it also came with the coordinating fall window die, and that is this. It came with the ink cubes that I will be using today to blend. Here are the 4 colors. My camera will not focus, so here's caramel and espresso and cherry and honey mustard, or spicy mustard. Honey mustard. And then it also came with the acetate windows, which I have here, enough to make 8 cards. And oh, it came with the lacquer pen. This is the lacquer pen it came with. So if you use the lacquer pen, you have to just wait for it to dry. That's my only downfall. Because I like to just do it, put it away, and be done. But so that's the kit. I am going to take the window die and cut a panel from like craft color cardstock, so I will be right back. Okay, so I cut the panel out of this cardstock here. I'm gonna get my sticky mat so I can position this on my sticky mat and get my stencils out and get to stenciling. So I'm gonna put this away because we don't need this anymore. My stencils out, and I just got these brushes off of Amazon, so I just got one for every color. That, get my sticky mat, excuse me. Okay. Are we in frame? Excuse me. Okay, I got my piece down. And these are numbered, or not numbered, they're lettered A, B, and C. So I will line up my first mat. And because I've already have a pattern to follow. I just gotta figure out where I'm lining this up. Oh, that's because I have it upside down. Yes. This is the way. A. Okay, perfect. So we are lining it up. With the Okay, let me figure out where I'm lining this up. That looks like it. Why is it crooked? I would have thought this would be straight. Okay. It is kind of at an angle. Interesting. Okay, I think I'm there. So my sticky mat will grab my stencil and hold my stencil in place. That's the idea. And then I'm just going to uncap all of my, well, maybe I should leave the colors so I can see because they kind of blend a little. Okay. There you go for that. And I'm gonna just start off with a I'm gonna start off dark. I'm gonna start off with some espresso and just lay it down in places. Some I will be heavy-handed, some I will be light-handed. Definitely, whoops. Definitely want to create gradations, so maybe start dark at the bottom of the leaves, and then as we add more color, go lighter up. So there, I'll get some caramel going and just put color down in different spots here. Maybe I should zoom in so you can see better. Knocking stuff down. Okay, let's see. Oh, I just noticed my battery light is blinking. But we want to cover the whole stencil with some color. Let me just start some red on this layer. The cherry. So I think everything, yep. Let me get some mustard. Did I mix it? Hit it with some yellow highlights. And when we peel this off, it's not going to look like anything yet. So there's the first layer. Then we're looking for B. Here's B. And then we just want to line it up again. If I used a bigger sheet of cardstock underneath, I would have been able to register the marks on the bigger sheet, and then you can just line up from the registration marks. But I cut it down to a 4.5 by 5 1/4 panel, so that's where that is. Okay, so we're gonna press down the stencil so the sticky mat holds it. And maybe I'll just start with yellow since the spice mustard, since I have it in my hand. And then go for a little cherry. And then get some of the espresso for the like stems, and I'm going in heavy in those, going in heavy in those areas for the stems. And the chestnut, I think that's what it's called. Okay, I think that's good. We'll peel off this layer. It's gonna look even better. Ooh. And then we'll get the last layer on, layer C, and line these up. Right here. And this I'm gonna come in heavy with the cherry. Heavy with the cherry color. For the mushroom tops especially. And maybe some of the leaves. Definitely the mushrooms I want to hit with the red, the cherry. And then now I'm going to come in with the espresso. And hit the pine cone. Hit more of that chestnut. Hit some of the stems. And then once we peel this layer off, you should be able to see the image, all of the image. This is the last layer. I'm just looking for some spicy mustard to highlight some of the leaves in this layer. Okay, so let me cover these and get you ready for the big reveal. Egg is ready. Wow. And there you go. That's the big reveal. Let me take it off of the sticky mat. Here you go. Let me get it behind some white paper for more dramatization. But yeah, so this is how the layer came out. Here we go. So that's the frame that it die cuts out. The layers make all of that. So beautiful. Let me zoom out a little. Oops, that's zooming in. Yeah, so there's the frame. And then so because of the cutout, you're able to attach the acetate to the back and make some shakers. And so that's what I did. I'm gonna share with you the cards I got. So I made 4 cards, and this one is a shaker. And I just added the sentiment on the inside of the shaker to the card base. But sorry for the glare. I keep catching the glare. Yeah, so that's one of them. And so you could just layer them in different variations. I've seen people use other colors besides fall colors, and so I'm excited to try that as well. And here's another one. This one I just added some of Carrie. Carrie is Double Click Connect here on YouTube. She has some dewdrops she sells in her Etsy store, and so I just added a few of those on the inside. Didn't make it a shaker, but it is still a window. But that's the colors I got. Oh yeah, so you see I added the lacquer on these mushrooms. But that's that card. Here's another. This one's a shaker. And then here's another. This is the last one that I made. And I just added some pearl gemmies to the outside of the card. So yeah, oh, and then I just added some outside because this was like white paper and it was too white for me. So I just did some blending with the same inks, or actually just used whatever was left on the brush to add the color on the outside. So yeah, that's my card making share for today. I hope you guys found this inspirational. I believe the kit is still available on their website, which is heroarts.com, I'm assuming. But anyway, for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. Shakas. Shaka shakas. Shakas.